Sorry, I got cut off. I'm back again. Let me continue about doTERRA Deep Blue 5 ml. Okay, this is the comforting, or we call it, sorry, not comforting, this is the soothing blend. And this small bottle of 5 ml contains 85 drops. There are two versions that I have. This is the 5 ml in its pure oil, and this is the other one that is the rub. The rub contains this bottle inside, but it's emulsified in a lotion form. It's excellent for any kind of aches, discomforts, tension when you are looking at bone, muscle, tendon kind of aches and discomforts and tension lah. So this is amazing because it is a beautiful combination of a few oils. Let me read the ingredients to you. It has got wintergreen from the actual wintergreen plant. This is not chemically or man-made synthesized in a lab. This is the actual essential oil. Camphor, peppermint that we all love so much because of its cooling, soothing kind of property that peppermint has. Wintergreen basically has got about 99% methyl salicylate. This is the methyl salicylate that has that very distinctive aroma kan? When we buy those liniments and muscle rubs and all those sports related kind of creams and rubs and oils. So this is that wintergreen coming from the methyl salicylate coming from the actual wintergreen plant itself. On top of that, it also has ylang ylang, which is amazing for calming and relaxation, because when we are in pain, if you have suffered pain, you know that you will feel very anxious actually because of the discomfort. You feel irritated. Those who are in pain, oftentimes they are not happy because they are in pain. How can you be happy when you're in pain, right? It's very difficult, and this is why ylang ylang has been added into this formula, because it's sort of calming and soothing to your emotions as well. When you are calm, when you are grounded, you find that the pain is not so intense. Usually that is true, right? So on top of that, they have also added helichrysum. This is a very expensive oil, and it's also known as liquid stitches. Also in Immortelle, the anti-aging blend kan? So helichrysum helps with, let me just go through. Oh, it helps with circulation. So that is important for healing, especially when we look at aches and discomforts. Blue tansy is another one there. This is for inflammation and for soothing as well, including osmanthus and the German blue chamomile. So with this combination, you get it in a 5 ml neat undiluted bottle. So how are we going to use this oil when we need to support healing for aches, discomforts and tension without resorting to other external items, because you may not want to burden your kidney or your liver and you would like to give it a bit more time to heal. Healing always takes time. It's not use today and after a couple of hours I'm fine. It doesn't work that way. It requires consistent application so that your body can help itself to heal, on top of having that rest and of course supporting yourself with adequate sleep, right? Hi Wai Ming, is it lunchtime for you now? Dah makan ke belum? So this is Deep Blue. So let me go through how I would use it, and I have been using it actually in my family. My mother-in-law's favorite is this one lah, because she has got frozen shoulder and she has got other chronic issues as well, including a very sensitive gastric lining. So to support her with pain, because she's in her 70s, so you can imagine when you have all this inflammation happening, quality of life is on the lower point. So to support her without having to burden the stomach, the kidney and the liver, this is her best friend. So yes, the consistency is very important. So with using this on a daily basis, and frankly when I started using this, I was like thinking it cannot be any different from the one that I can get from the pharmacy, because I used to work in a pharmacy anyway. So I was very surprised, because for this Deep Blue cream, you just use a very small pea-sized amount only. Sikit je. Not lunchtime. Okay. Shh. Okay. So we use just a pea-sized amount depending on how large is the area, and you can just apply it. I'm going to apply it at my neck because I have some neck tension. I was using the gadgets for quite a bit of time yesterday, so hari ni dah kenal lah tu kan. So kita pakai dulu, and it will last you, the effect would last you for about 3 to 4 hourly. Okay, so let's say you have got some discomfort, shoulder, lower back, or anywhere, as long as the skin is not broken. If there is a wound, you cannot sapu. Please remember, you can use it there, and then you may want to, if you're using the essential oil, you need to dilute with the carrier oil. If you're using the rub, you tak payah nak dilute, you just buka and sapu sahaja. So after you apply it at that area, what you can do is to increase the absorption and the penetration of the essential oil into your muscle. You can use a hot pack. Maybe you can get a hot towel, or you have those gel packs that you can pop into the microwave and heat up, kan? Those kind of hot pack, and you can put it on. So this will help with the penetration and also give you longer lasting relief. The other thing that I recommend is a layering technique. This one, if you are rajin, you do this, is very good. So first layer is you dilute your deep blue oil, 1 drop, with about 10 drops or 20 drops of your carrier oil, kan? So you dah sapu at that area, then you get frankincense. Frankincense is the king of oil, and it has amazing healing and anti-inflammatory properties. So you dilute that 1 drop of frankincense with some fractionated coconut oil, and you layer it on top of that area which you just applied your deep blue. Okay, and this will help with healing even better, because it is a sort of a synergistic effect. It's 1 plus 1 equals to 3 instead of 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So this one is a good tip to try. You may also use deep blue if you find that I don't have aches and discomforts, but I work out. Of course, we all should exercise every day, even though we are home. There are so many things you can still do at home. So if you find that you want to recover faster from the aches and discomforts after doing your aerobics or whatever HIIT exercise that you're doing, after a bit of stretching you feel sore, you may want to use deep blue before you start your exercise. Okay, then after your exercise, you have showered, you are clean, apply it again. You find that the lactic acid build up will be less. Okay, now we cannot go marathon running and all that kan so far. So you may find that you don't suffer so much of this muscle fatigue, we call it. Those of you who exercise, you would know what that's like, right? So the other part, the other quick tip I want to share is if you have growing children who tell you off and on, I have some aches, here it's painful, and you may want to just support their healing. It's called growing pains. It's quite common among children. So you may reach out for either the deep blue oil, dilute it well before applying on their skin every 3 to 4 hourly, or you may want to use the deep blue rub for them. This one I would recommend you apply for them, because this one it's a bit panas, it's a bit spicy and hot. So we don't want them using it and then after that they go and rub their eye or touch their nose. No. So this one, mommy or daddy apply is better lah, I would say. Alright. So the last bit of deep blue, the last bit I always keep for emotion kan. So let's see how deep blue can help our emotion. Deep blue is surrendering to pain. Alright. So it is used to assist individuals who are resisting or avoiding the emotions that underlie their physical discomfort. There is a lot of truth to this. When we suppress our emotions, our trauma, it will manifest as a physical ailment, pain, discomfort. This is your body's way of telling you that something is not right. So you have to figure out what is not right and do the work. The oils here are just helping you with the work. They cannot do all the work for you. You have to do the work, right? So it offers strength to face emotional wounds, allowing the wounds to surface. The wounds need to surface for transformation and healing. So basically, when you use these oils, the positive properties that we want to derive is feeling strengthened, accepting, feeling soothed, serene, and being healed from the physical pain that we are enduring. Okay, so I hope that this little bit of sharing today is helpful for you, and you may use it in a very proactive manner. For those of you who are not yet doTERRA members, or you have friends or family who would like to join for this month with the Home Essential Kit package, valued at 1,300 ringgit. Actually, the value is more than that. It's 2,000 over ringgit. Deep Blue Rub is gifted free. It's 190 over ringgit, this tube. And yes, you may think that this tube is going to finish really fast, right? But frankly, even for my mother-in-law, she takes like 6-7 months to finish this one tube. For me, I take like almost a year because I use it mainly for my lower back every night to relieve and reduce inflammation. I don't want to wait until dah sakit baru sapu. So I prefer to be proactive when it comes to my health and wellness. So this one, she told me this is what she did lah last time, because she's been using this for a few years kan. So what she will do is when it's almost finished, she will cut into half like your toothpaste and all those cream kan. If you cut, you will see inside there is some more. So that will give her, like she tells me, another 1 month of usage. So like really good. So this is another tip that you may want to try so that you can stretch your ringgit a little bit further, especially during these very challenging times. All right. So if you have any queries or you have any health issues that you would like to get more information on, please connect with me. I hope to see you again next Friday. Stay safe everyone and take care. Bye.